Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Vibes, your home for everything high performance and high adrenaline on four wheels. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive look at the all-new 2026 Dodge Durango SRT. A full-size SUV that refuses to play by the rules. This isn't just another family hauler with a big badge, this is a muscle car disguised as an SUV. And it's coming in hot with updates that make it one of the most exciting utility vehicles we've seen in years. Under the hood, the 2026 Durango SRT gets a serious upgrade. It's now powered by a revised 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, pushing out a staggering 720 horsepower and about 645 pounds-ft of torque. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just about 3.5 seconds. Putting this SUV in the same conversation? As supercars, the engine is mated to a robust 8-speed automatic transmission that's been retuned for quicker shifts and improved torque delivery. Dodge has also fine-tuned the all-wheel drive system to provide better traction during launch and high-speed cornering, making the Durango feel planted even when you're pushing it to the edge. The exhaust note is still unmistakably SRT loud, aggressive, and full of character. Dodge engineers have tweaked the sound profile slightly to give it a deeper, throatier growl under hard acceleration while keeping it tame enough for daily driving. There's also an active exhaust system that adjusts the tone depending on drive mode, so you can go from stealth to street racer with the flick of a switch. Design-wise, the 2026 Durango SRT brings a more refined but still aggressive look. The front fascia has been sharpened with a new black talc grille, larger functional air intakes, and a more aerodynamic splitter. The hood scoop is still there and functional, feeding cold air directly into the supercharger. Along the sides, the SUV rides on 22-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance Pirelli tires, giving it both a wide stance and tons of grip. The rear sees a slightly redesigned bumper and an upgraded diffuser, along with quad exhaust tips that scream performance even before you hit the gas. Inside, the Durango SRT has been elevated to a new level of premium performance. You're greeted with race-inspired bucket seats wrapped in Laguna leather and Alcantara, complete with SRT badging and optional red contrast stitching. The flat-bottom steering wheel is heated and comes with integrated paddle shifters, while the digital cockpit has been overhauled to offer a 12.3-inch customizable gauge cluster that displays everything from boost pressure to lap times. The 2026 model also includes a larger 14.5-inch Uconnect 6 touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and full Alexa integration. You get wireless charging, a head-up display, and even a Harman Kardon 19-speaker surround sound system to bring your road trip playlist to life. Dodge hasn't forgotten about practicality either. Despite its hardcore performance, the Durango SRT remains a true family SUV. It offers 3 rows of seating with plenty of headroom and legroom for adults in all rows. Cargo space remains competitive, and the second and third rows fold flat for hauling larger items. This means you can take the kids to school in the morning and hit the track in the afternoon without skipping a beat. In terms of handling, the 2026 Durango SRT surprises. It's equipped with adaptive Bilstein dampers and performance-tuned suspension that adjust in real time based on driving conditions and selected drive mode. Whether you're in auto, sport, track, snow, or tow mode, the SUV delivers a planted, responsive feel that defies its size. Steering is sharp for a vehicle in this category, and body roll is impressively controlled thanks to the lowered ride height and stiffer sway bars. Dodge has clearly put in the work to ensure this isn't just a straight-line monster. It's a well-rounded machine that can hustle through corners with confidence. Braking has also seen improvements. The new 6-piston Brembo calipers up front and 4-piston rears clamp down on massive vented rotors, bringing this 5,500-pound SUV to a stop from 60 miles per hour in just around 110 feet. The pedal feel is firm and consistent, even after repeated hard stops. This is a crucial upgrade considering the performance levels. This thing is capable of technology, and safety features are top tier as well. You'll find advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a new semi-autonomous highway driving assist system that's part of Dodge's enhanced safety suite. There's also a new night vision camera option that uses infrared to detect animals or pedestrians in the dark, displaying them on the digital gauge cluster in real time. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 Durango SRT is how it balances brutality with refinement. You've got launch control and performance pages to track your 0 to 60 times, G-forces and lap times. But you also have ventilated seats, ambient interior lighting, and a panoramic sunroof that stretches nearly the full length of the cabin. Dodge understands that its buyers want thrills without giving up comfort. And that's exactly what they've delivered. Fuel economy. Well, it's a 720 horsepower V8. We're not pretending it's a hybrid. Expect around 12 mpg city and 17 highway. But let's be honest, if you're shopping for a Durango SRT, you're not worried about gas mileage. You're here for the sound, the speed, and the street presence. And with the available towing package, you can still pull up to 8,700 pounds, making it one of the few vehicles that can tow your boat and blow the doors off a Camaro at the same time. Pricing hasn't been finalized yet, but insiders expect the starting MSRP to be around $85,000, with fully loaded models pushing close to $100,000. That's not cheap. But in today's performance SUV market, it's actually competitive, especially when you consider what you're getting in terms of raw power, features, and versatility. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT isn't just a continuation of Dodge's muscle SUV legacy, it's an evolution. More power, more refinement, smarter tech, and sharper styling make this the most complete version of the Durango we've ever seen. It's a rare vehicle that can comfortably carry your whole family while still laying down quarter-mile times that embarrass sports cars. For those who wanted all muscle space, tech, and a whole lot of attitude, this Durango delivers like nothing else in its class. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT here on Car Vibes. If you liked this breakdown, smash that like button. Drop a comment below telling us what you think about Dodge's latest monster. And don't forget to subscribe for more killer car content coming your way. See you next time, and keep those engines revving.